English is spoken by millions of people worldwide and is the language of business, travel, and entertainment. Knowing English allows you to connect with people from different cultures, find better job opportunities, and enjoy books, movies, and music in their original form. Learning English can also boost your confidence and open up a world of possibilities. At Learn English Institute, we aim to make your learning experience enjoyable and easy to follow. Listening is one of the first skills you need to develop when learning English. It helps you understand how words sound and how sentences are formed. Regular listening practice will improve your comprehension and pronunciation. How to practice listening. Watch our videos. Our YouTube channel has beginner-friendly lessons with clear and slow English. These videos are perfect for practicing listening. Listen to simple conversations. Start with short dialogues or beginner-level podcasts. Watch movies and shows with subtitles. Choose shows with subtitles in your language or in English. This helps you connect spoken words with their meanings. Listen to songs. Try listening to English songs and read the lyrics. Singing along is a fun way to practice pronunciation. Speaking is an important part of learning English. Even if you are shy, start practicing small phrases and sentences. Remember, making mistakes is normal and part of the learning process. How to practice speaking, repeat. After us, in our videos, we include pronunciation exercises. Pause the video and repeat words or sentences to practice your speaking. Talk to yourself, practice speaking English while doing daily activities. For example, describe what you are doing like, I am cooking or I am reading, practice common phrases, learn phrases for greetings, shopping, or traveling. For example, how are you? Or, can I have a cup of coffee, please? Learn by reading. Reading helps you improve vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension. Start with materials that match your current level. How to practice reading. Begin with children's books. Books for kids use simple language and pictures. Titles like The Very Hungry Caterpillar are great for beginners. Follow along in our videos. Many of our lessons include on-screen text to help you read along while listening. Read a little every day. Even 10 minutes of reading daily can make a big difference. Choose topics you enjoy, like travel, sports, or cooking. Keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words you find and practice using them in sentences. Improve your writing. Writing allows you to organize your thoughts and practice grammar. Even short writing exercises can help you learn. Write about your day in simple English. For example, today I went to the market, I bought apples. Leave comments on our YouTube videos to practice writing and get feedback. Create short stories about your favorite topics. This helps you use new vocabulary and practice grammar. Build your vocabulary. Learning new words is essential for improving your English. Focus on practical words and phrases that you can use in daily life. Write down 5 new words and use them in sentences. This helps you remember them better. Place labels on objects in your house like mirror, door, or lamp. Understand grammar basics. Grammar is the foundation of any language. You don't need to learn all the rules at once. Start with the basics and build from there. How to learn grammar. Learn basic sentence structures like I eat, she runs, or they are happy. If you're confused about a rule, leave a comment on our videos and we'll help you. Stay motivated. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Staying motivated is key to success. Tips to stay motivated. Set small goals. For example, I will learn 10 new words this week, or I will watch 1 video every day. Celebrate success. Reward yourself for reaching goals like finishing a lesson or having your first English conversation. Join our community, subscribe to Learn English Institute, and connect with other learners. Share your progress and learn together. Keep a positive attitude. Mistakes are part of learning. Stay patient and enjoy the process. Learning English as a second language is a wonderful way to open up new opportunities. By practicing listening, speaking, reading, writing, and building vocabulary, you can improve step by step. Stay motivated, use the resources available, and remember that every small effort brings you closer to fluency. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn English Institute, for more lessons and support. Together, we can make learning English easy and fun. Let's start this journey today.